I will want us to try and simplify this. Normally we know of perfect squares, such as, let's say, the square root of 4, the answer is 2, the square root of 9, the answer is 3. These are perfect squares. Yeah? Let's say the square root of 16, the answer is what? The answer is 4. But now here what is happening is we are having a radical expression with variables, but then looking at the radical expression, the constant, the coefficient that is there, which is 48, is not a perfect square. So what we try to ask ourselves is, how else can I be able to write 48? Therefore, if I have 48, then I can say 48 can be equivalent to that kind of a thing, 16 times 3. Therefore, with that in mind, then I'll want to split this and look at it as the root of 16 times 3. I am multiplying this by the square root of x squared. Yeah? Then I have to multiply it again by the square root of y raised to the power of y raised to the power 5. But then, because it is a radical expression, then I have to go on and also be able to look on how else can we write y raised to the power 5 in order to be able to radicalize it, to be able to reduce it, or to write it in a form whereby we are able to at least find the square root of this. Just the same way we've broken down 48. We will also want to split this. Therefore, here, 16 is a perfect square, meaning it gives us a square root of 4. The square root of 16 is what? Is 4. Therefore, we write 4. The square root of x squared is x. Root of 3 dot, because we cannot, 3 doesn't have square, so the square root of 3 will remain. Then we try to split this one as we are multiplying it by y squared dot y squared dot y. So you see, this is how also we can be able to write y raised to the power 5, meaning we can now go ahead and get the square root of this one and this one moving out, but then this one will remain. Therefore, we have 4x y multiplied by y, since that is remaining, then root 3, I am multiplying it by the root of y. So what will happen here? Then I'll have 4x y, this is 1 y squared, the root of 3 y, because all of them, they don't have a y. So that will remain like that. Then looking at this, then this is how you can be able to simplify this particular radical expression with variables. So once you simplify this, you split this one into y squared dot y. Then you can be able to find the square root of this one, which is y, the square root of this one, which is y. This one, we can't find the square root, therefore it will remain under the square root symbol. And therefore, after simplifying, when we reach here, I have y times y is the same as adding the 2 powers, 1 plus 1 to give me that. And this becomes what? The solution on how, after you simplify this particular radical expression, you will come up to here. And therefore, that is the solution. I hope you follow through. Give us your subscription. You hit the like, you comment, you share, in order to keep us giving you more of this kind. Thank you.